Hey, David. Thanks for coming in. Let's go over the progress on the project. How are things moving?
Hi, John. Things are progressing well overall. We've completed the initial design phase and are now moving into development.
That's good to hear. Did the client approve the final design mock-ups?
Yes, they signed off on the design last Thursday. There were a few minor edits they requested, but nothing that set us back.
Great. So where do we stand now on the development timeline?
We've started back-end development. The database structure is complete, and we're now integrating the API endpoints. Front-end work begins tomorrow.
Excellent. Are we still on track for the mid-month milestone?
Yes, but just barely. We've had some minor delays with testing. A few functions didn't behave as expected in the staging environment.
Do we know what caused the issue?
Yeah, it was mainly due to some outdated dependencies. We updated those, and things are running more smoothly now.
All right. Let's just make sure QA stays closely involved as development continues. I don't want bugs piling up toward the end.
Absolutely. I've already spoken with Rachel from QA, and she'll be running weekly tests starting this Friday.
Good thinking. How's the team managing workload-wise? Anyone overloaded?
A little. Armon is juggling both front-end and bug fixes. I'm planning to shift some of the debugging tasks to Leo this week to balance things out.
Smart move. We don't want anyone burning out. And what about the documentation?
I've started the technical guide and set up documentation. I'll share a draft early next week for review.
Sounds good. Make sure it's simple enough for the client's IT team to follow without too much support.
Got it. I'll also add visuals and screenshots to make it more user-friendly.
Perfect. Let's also set up a client demo once the core features are complete. I want them to see progress in real time.
Agreed. How about we aim for a live demo next Wednesday?
That works. Prepare a checklist of what we'll show and send it to me by Monday.
Will do. I'll also include any known issues so we can manage expectations.
Good thinking. Overall, things are going well. Let's keep the communication tight and avoid surprises.
Absolutely. I'll keep the team focused and send you a full update by end of day tomorrow.
Thanks, David. Appreciate your effort. Keep up the good work.
Thanks, John. Talk soon.